Okay, after you have installed as well as restart your machine, okay, try to launch Audacity, and you should not have much problem launching Audacity. Okay, uh, if there is any issue, you might want to look into the forum that is at the Audacity team to find out what could be the problem that is causing the installation failure. All right, so over here I have already launched Audacity. Okay, there's a lot of button here, but actually it's not that scary to use it. Okay, you have your standard control over here. All right, these are all your standard control that you will use very often. All right, you have your mixer. Right, these are your mixer over here. Okay, and of course you can zoom in and out. Later on we will have a look at that. And down here you have your project rate, right, which is measured in hertz. Okay, okay, please make sure it is about 44100. Okay, actually the higher the rate, the better the sound quality, but the file size will also increase. So if you make the rate too high or too low, it doesn't benefit you. Okay, so now we want to do a quick test of Audacity after we have done the installation. Okay, so this is actually the record. All right, so once you click the record, you will start to do recording, and you can pause the recording. Right, you can pause the recording and then continue. Okay, then of course this button over here is to stop. Okay, so let's do a quick test on this. All right, of course if you have any speaker, I would suggest you actually turn off the speaker first so that you do not have a backfeed or an echo. All right, so here is the recording running, and you can see that the microphone is successfully recording what I say, and here you have all the waveform, okay, on one single track. So let's say I do a stop on this. Okay, so basically, all right, this is how you record directly over your microphone. Now if you are not getting this audio wave over here like this, all right, you might want to check your microphone. All right, maybe it could be the driver, maybe it's not plugged in correctly, or maybe it's not even turned on. Okay, most of the time, okay, it could be a problem that is inside the setting of your operating system. Okay, so this is one single audio track, right? And of course this is the most basic of it. All right, okay, once you have this, you will be able to have your file. Okay, you can save your project if you want to, right, so that later on you can actually open it again. Okay, and of course you can export. All right, and one of the very common format we export is we export it as a MP3. Okay, so all right, maybe I will just leave it as untitled, or maybe I can change the title to test. Okay, and save as MP3. All right, just do a save. All right, you can add in some of the text over here. I'll just click OK, and the MP3 appear over here. See that? This MP3 appear over here. Okay, so let's double click this. All right, so it will launch my default media player. Recording running. See, it can actually run from inside here. Okay, so the recording using the Audacity is quite standard. Is quite standard.